Hi, everybody. Today I'll talk about the production process of Coca-Cola Company. The first step, water is treatment. Water is subject to a demand treatment to meet and the Coca-Cola Company. The treatment consists of several steps of filtration and disinfection with which the safety of the water, free of microorganisms, is ensured, also removing strains, flavors, and chemical contaminants. Second step, preparation of simple syrup. The treated water is mixing with neutralized sweeteners such as sugar is measurements, forming the sample syrup, which is filtered at low pressures to eliminate impurities. Third step, manufacturing the finished syrup. Concentrate is added to sample syrup, which is provided by the Coca-Cola Company, which contains pure ingredients and essence that give flavor, color, and smell to its products. Fourth step, preparation of the finished beverage. The treated water and the finished syrup are dozen in appropriate preparations in a tank that mixes them. The non-carbonated drained water syrup is drained by a carbonate pump, where liquid falls on the distribution tray, which has small perforation and line with the cooling plates. In atmosphere on carbon dioxide, which absorbed and heat loss until it is deposited smoldering in the lower part of the carbonated pump. Further, due to the effect to the process to which the finished beverage is subjected, is excised through and piped in direction on the filler. Package process. A. The packaging. The boxes with and tight containers are manually removed from the pallets in an orderly manner and the places of both conveyor belts. B. Uncapped. The boxes with anti-voltage entire machine that removes the bottles and place them on the bloody conveyor. C. Pre-washing inspection. This is performed visually by manually removing dirty bottles with foreign and damaged objects. D. Washing and sterilizing. This is carried out in an automatic machine by injection of the caustic solution that cleans the bottles and raises them under pressure with fresh water to obtain the cleaned sterile bottle. A. Post-washing inspection. Every bottle that comes out of the washing machine is checked to make sure it is clean and in perfect condition to be filled. F. Filling a cup. The container is pressured and the same pressure as the filling, which is under carbon dioxide pressure. Once the pressure balance between the filler and the interior of the container is reached, the beverage is transferred by gravity to the entering container. The filling interrupted when the reaches the appropriate level of filling. Immediately after leaving the filler is a capped or crown with a ideal light so that during retains its organoleptic characteristics. G. Post-filling inspection. The filling and properly covered bottles and the spraying illuminated creams. Verify that a level of filling is within the specifications. Age. Coding. Once the container has been filled, is automatically coded with the elaboration date, production line, time, and plant identification. 5. Budget and policies. The bottlers already spent an entire machine that placed their and the already speedy bosses or finally reordered them manually or police. G. Storage. The pallets are stacked in an orderly manner under the FIFO principle and protected under roof, waiting to distribute backyard trucks. K. Transport and distributions. The pallets are locked by the forklift trucks to the distribution trunks are haulage trucks to be delivered to the operation centers for the later distribution to the clients, who are in charge of selling the product on the consumers.